Setting up a wired network connection is the easiest network connection to set up. In order to set up a wired connection, you will need a computer, a modem that is connected to the internet through an internet service provider, and an Ethernet cable to connect the two together. This is the most simple network configuration because it only has one device to connect. As soon as you have the cables plugged into the right locations, your computer will automatically connect to the internet. To see if the computer is connected to the internet, take a look at the network icon in the notification area on the taskbar. If you see this icon, your computer is connected to the internet. If the icon of the computer has a red X or a yellow exclamation point in front of it, then your computer is not connected correctly. If the icon has a red X, it typically means that the Ethernet cable is not connected. If the icon has a yellow exclamation point, it might mean that the cables are connected, but the modem is not getting an internet connection. To test if your internet connection is working, open up the internet browser and see if you can go to a website like Microsoft.com. If the web page that you went to opens, then your computer is online and ready to go. If the computer does not go online, I recommend that you try to click the button to diagnose the network connection problem. This will open the Windows Network Diagnostics and try to fix the problem automatically. For example, on my computer, it is telling me that my local area connection adapter is disabled. To fix the problem, click the button here. Now when I click Close, you can see that it fixed the problem. If the computer still does not go online, then you will need to check some connection settings to see if they are correct. To check the settings, go to Start, Control Panel, Network and Internet, and then Network and Sharing Center. Now on the left, click Change Adapter Settings. This window will show us all of the different connections that we have on the computer. You might see some different network adapters depending on the hardware you have installed on the computer. The adapter that we are looking for is going to be called Local Area Connection, which is the only one that I have. Now right-click on it and go down to Status. If the IPv4 connectivity says Internet to the right, then you should be connected. If it does not, go down and click on Properties. In the connection properties, go to Internet Protocol version 4. Click on it once to select it, and then click Properties. Make sure that Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server automatically are both selected by default. Then click OK if you have made any changes, or Cancel if you did not. If you are still having issues connecting to the internet, then go to the chapter on computer maintenance and watch the video on checking for malware. After you know that your computer is virus-free, you will need to contact your internet service provider and ask them for assistance. Remember that with computers, there are multiple things that can cause internet connection issues, and just because you can't get online doesn't mean that your internet service is not working. In our next video, we will learn how to connect to a network with a wireless connection.